Hello, this is BBC Learning English. In today's Phrasal Verbs with Georgie, we're looking at the phrasal verbs related to health and fitness. Are you ready? Let's go. Warm up means doing some light exercise and/or some stretches to prepare the body for some heavy exercise. It's a good idea to warm up before doing an intense workout. After you've warmed up, you're ready to work out, which means to train your body through exercise, often in the gym, but I'm working out in the garden. I try to work out at least twice a week. It helps to relieve stress. After working out, it's a good idea to cool down. This is similar to warming up, but instead of preparing your body for exercise, you're recovering from the exercise. Don't forget to cool down after doing a workout. If you stick to something, it means you continue doing something consistently. It comes from the physical sense, so imagine literally sticking to your routine. I've managed to stick to my running training program for 6 weeks so far. If you lose motivation for something and can't stick to it, you give up. You don't continue doing it and accept defeat. This exercise routine is too hard. I give up. Next we have cut down on and cut out. What's the difference? If you cut down on something, you reduce it. I've cut down on my caffeine intake, so now I only have 3 cups of coffee instead of 4. If you cut something out completely, you eliminate it. I've discovered I'm allergic to nuts, so I have to cut them out of my diet completely. Don't freak out and don't give up. Why not try and work on the phrasal verbs with the free worksheet on our website? See you next time.